Hello there. So today we are going to start with the concept of greater than, less than. I will not waste any time on talking because then the video gets too big and then uploading becomes a problem. So we are doing greater than, less than in numbers. So first thing, we will not say this number is less than or this number is greater than. We will simply use one term. It could be either greater than or it could be less than, not both. So then you can create on the table a structure like this whereby the child is seeing that the numbers are growing. Okay, so a 3 is greater than 2 because there are more number of pieces over here, and then a 4 is further greater than 3 because there are further more number of pieces, so on and so forth. And then you ask the kid, okay, tell me, is 8 greater than 9 or is 10 greater than 9? And the child is able to see, so you've made it very, very visual, and the child says, okay, 10 is greater than 9. So like this, the initial preliminary concept you will set. The second thing you will do is that now you will show it in the third dimension. So you can create a structure like this, probably buy this toy. If you don't have this toy, you can make your own. This is just an example of how to show them. So, and you can make stuff of your own. So you can do in a thermocol, you can just stick some sticks in the thermocol sheet and then cut rings and you can fix. So all of that you can do at home also. So now when the stage 2, so when you start putting it over here and you say, now the child can in a 3 dimension see that the number is getting bigger, and the language you will use is जीरो मतलब कुछ नहीं, जितना भी जीरो से दूर जाएंगे और the further we go from zero, the number will keep on getting bigger. Okay, so a 3 is bigger than 2 because 2 is closer to 0 and 3 is far off, like this. So then first stage you showed it in 2 dimensions, like you were seeing that it was longer, or it was, now you're showing it in 3 dimensions, so it's taller, so the height is getting taller, like this. So like this you will do the first step of greater than, less than. I'll quickly put them in so that we can then move to the next activity. So like this you can show 0 matlab kuch nahi, nothing. 1 is a small number, then 2 is slightly bigger, then 3 is much bigger, 4. Why I've kept the numbers like this? Because in my tray they were coming too close, so they could distract the child. But what you can do, see, I'm using a ready-made resource, so that's why numbers are close and they are of different colors. You can make them same color and you can make them further apart if you're making in hand. So this is just to give a demo to the parents to how you can give a visual understanding to the child of how the numbers will grow. And then from here the next step, so as I said, from here the next step is you will introduce this sign. Now this sign can be done very interestingly, that I like to call it Ali the crocodile or Ali the alligator. So the crocodile has got his mouth wide open like and crocodile likes to eat only the bigger numbers. So the crocodile will go towards the bigger number. So then you can play a kind of a game with the child. So you can place a 3 here and a 5 here and say, which way will the crocodile go? Will the crocodile like to eat 3? Nah, 3 is smaller. And then you keep 1, 2, 3. And then you say, will the crocodile like to eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? 5. And you say, think, which is bigger? Which is bigger? Which one the crocodile will eat? So, nah, this is wrong. The crocodile likes the big ones. So, the crocodile will like to eat the big number. Okay, so like this, then you can keep giving them practice with various things, various numbers. So first practice till 10. After that, you take it forward. So when you have to take it forward, I will just pause the video for a while and bring the Ganitmala number chain. For want of space, I may not be able to show the full thing, but parents, please understand. So this is the Ganitmala, okay? Now what is happening here is that there are 10 beads and then 10 red beads and then 10 white and 10 red and so on. So this is a huge big this thing, mala. Okay, so then in this you can say, okay, now tell me where is 42. So the child is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. Okay, so if you have done your tens and ones, you could even do 10 and 10, 20 and 10, 30 and 40 and two of them 42. So like this you could keep a mala. Now these kind of malas you can make on your own also. You can get beads of similar color and then you say which is the bigger number. So you take a similar mala and you say now make 36. So the child is making 10 here, then another 10, 20, then another 10, 30 and then 6 over here. Okay, like I said, for want of space I may not be able to show the entire experiment, but understand, then you are keeping 2 malas in front of the child, okay, with beads in which 10 are one color, then 10 are the other color, then 10 are another the first color. So the child knows and can count that 10 and 10 20 and 10 30 and 10 40, so 43 for example, and the other number, suppose you took 56. So then what you will do is you will place another mala like this over here. Between the 2 malas the child has counted and he can now say that 56 is bigger because the numbers are going far beyond. So like this couple of times you will practice with such things. After that then you will give the mantra that a number, when it goes as far away from 0, it keeps on becoming bigger. So if this is 0, then a number 13 is 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, but a number 23 will be bigger than 13 because it is going away from 0. So more away from 0. So like this you can give a number line concept. You can also do number line concept by making a train kind of a thing. So a train, you can write these and you can put the wheels underneath, like you can draw. So and then you can say like this. So you're putting something over here to create a train. You understanding now what I'm saying? So like that. So like that. So and you can paste it on your wall in the room. So this train, koo chuk chuk chuk. So make something over here and dhua, and then put some over here and then some wheels over here, and the train is going. And like this it will keep on going, like 6, 7, like this. Okay, so the train will be big. You can make a big train on your wall, like on the wall over there, like this. So that could be really big. And then the first one is 0. 0 matlab kuch nahi. You could place a 0 if you want. If you think it will confuse, don't. And then you say from the beginning point, from 0, from here, the one which is very far off is the big one. The one which is closer is the small one. So between 3 and 7, and then you say, where did our crocodile Ali go? Okay, here comes Ali. So who would Ali want to eat? Would Ali want to eat 3? Nah, that's not right. Ali would want to eat 7. And immediately you can also substantiate by doing 3 and 7. So you can say Ali would want to eat 3. No, because 3 is smaller and Ali likes to open his mouth. Ali likes to open his mouth to the bigger number. So Ali will eat the bigger number. So it will go and eat the number 7. So between 3 and 7, Ali would like to eat 7. So like this, then, and hereafter, then you will start your worksheets with the kid. So then on a worksheet you will write 24 and 36, which is a greater number. So then and make a box in between. If you need, you will have to do this again for 24 and 36 up until 100. So once the child reaches 100, then you have to simply get him to rote learn. 0 से जितना दूर चला गया उतना number big हो गया. So like this. So the next session we'll do increasing order. Right now only do which is the bigger number, not the increasing order. Order would also be more or less the same, but the only difference will be that we will have to keep, instead of a single mala, we will have to keep like 2, 3, 4 malas and show the difference. So tangibilize, show the difference, and then take it to copy.